North Star Alarm.
Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you guys how to mount a door sensor contact. So the good news is that it's not too difficult at all. So what to look for is when you're mounting the sensor. So on the PowerG ones here, they have the notch here and a notch there. And all you got to make sure that these two notches line up. On the bigger one, it's the same thing. There's a little arrow right here on the side. And then you just want to make sure that this is in the center of the magnet, as we can see. Open, closed. And we'll just want to make sure that those are lined up on the door, and we'll see what that looks like in just a sec. So now that we're at the door, just a couple guiding principles to go over to kind of know how to mount the contact how you want it. The first thing is to know if the door's open or closed. You can just turn up the volume on your panel, listen for the chime when it's open or closed. Another way too is if the panel's far away, it's hard to hear it. You can watch for this red light that'll flash when it's closed, flash when it's open, just so you can keep an eye out for that. As you can see here, our contact that we do have mounted here is on the door, and the magnet's on the frame. Ideally, if you have an exterior door, you would want this the other way around, but if it's not going to fit, it's not going to fit, and you can have it like this. It's just the battery will drain slightly faster the more it's exposed to the cold and the elements. For example, we could put this here. We can see if we line up the lines here, if it shows us closed, it does. And if we pull it away, we can see that it opened. So as you can see, it doesn't need to be necessarily like this. It can have a little bit of a distance, but that's just something you'd have to check for on your own door, in your own case. Once you know where you're going to mount it, you would just remove the two-sided tape on the back and put the contact up like this. And yeah, once you have it up, just open the door. Make sure that the magnet doesn't fall off or the contact doesn't fall off, and then you'll be good to go.